we see about this. Okay, let me admit the Wazir and Mohit. Okay, it's the chapter number 2, Pioneers of Computer, for class 4. Everyone should be on the page number 12. On the page number 12, what we see on the page number 12, Blaise Pascal was a mathematician and a physicist. So the person who do the mathematics and do the work related to the physics as the physicist. So he is a man with the mathematics and the physics. He was from France, so he was a Frenchman. He was a Frenchman and he is from France, and he invented the machine. Blaise Pascal was a mathematician and physicist, and he invented the machine. The name of that machine is what? The name of that machine is called the Pascaline. So he invented the early mechanical calculator, which is a machine, but the name of that machine is famous with the name of Pascaline. So he invented Pascaline in 1642. Who invented the Pascaline? Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline in 1642. So, and then what we have see, why he made this machine? He made this machine just for helping his father. Why? Because his father was a tax collector, and he created Pascaline to help his father in calculating tax. So he calculate the tax and find out that this tax is due on someone else. This machine is used for this purpose. Okay. So after this, Pascaline can do only two things. Pascaline can add and do the subtract and do the addition. That's it. Pascaline can do add or can do subtract. So Pascaline can only do two things: add and subtract. Pascaline cannot do multiply and divide. 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 It can only perform two operations. What those two operations are? The first one is add and the second one is subtract. So Pascaline can do addition and subtraction, but cannot do the multiplication or the division. So, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Say yes or no. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But sir, I have a question. Can I
Yes,
ask?
sir, I understand.
Okay. Okay,
Sir, my question is,
okay, Amar. Amar is asking any question. Amar, let me say. Amar, what is your question? Amar, what is
my
your
question,
question?
sir, is what do you mean by mathematics and physics?
Okay. Okay, now Amar is asking that what is meant by mathematics and what is meant by physicist. So the person who do the mathematics so much, the person who is a teacher of mathematics and the person who do the research on mathematics is a mathematician. The teacher who teaches the maths, the person who do the research on the uh, who research on the mathematics is basically the mathematician. So the person who do the mathematics very much is a mathematician, and the second thing is related to the physics. The person who follows or make a new rules for the physics is basically a physicist. So that person is right in his home that he wants to make the that he wants that he wants to make the what, make the machine. Okay, so for what, to make a rule. So he wants to make a rule related to the physics. Physicist is the person who wants to make rules or the things related to the physics, to clarify, to clear the concept of the physics. And the person who do the math so much is basically a mathematician. Okay, let me admit who is this. Amin. Amin Mazen. Amin Mazen. You are saying something, Amin Mazen?
Yes, sir. I do. But
Yes. What
do
is your
how is the
question?
present day calculator different from the Pascaline?
What are you saying, Amin Mazen? What are you saying? Kindly repeat your sentence. Mazen, what are you saying? I didn't hear you properly. Kindly say it again. Yes, Amin Mazen.
I can't hear you very well.
Okay, now you are hearing me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Amin Mazen, what is your question? You are asking any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, Mohit. Mohit is asking something. Mohit, you are saying something, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Mohit,
Yes.
you are saying something?
Sir, we have test or online assignment today. Today.
No, no, we don't have test. We don't have test today.
Okay, online assignment we have.
It's there. It's there. Okay. So, Adam is there. Adam, what are you saying?
Sir, I am Ziad, not Adam.
Oh, I mistakenly unmute the Ziad. Okay. Adam is raise the hand first. Yes, Adam. Okay. Yes, Ziad, what are you saying? You raise the hand. Yes, Ziad, what are you saying?
Sir, what is the taxes? The taxes.
What is what?
What is the calculate? What is taxes?
What is tax? Okay. Okay. If you see in Saudi Arabia,
Hmm?
taxes are applied. Taxes are applied. Do you aware tax is applied in the month of July? So taxes are the money for the government. So government took a tax. 15% tax is
Uh,
uh, so the person who calculate the tax on each and everything is basically the tax collector. The person who is collecting the tax for each and everything is the tax collector. So at that time there is no calculator. So if that person get a big amount, then how that person will calculate it? So that's why they need a
uh,
calculator. Okay. Now, okay. Ghasir Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Hmm?
What is your question? Raise the hand.
Are we going to write a notebook today?
No, don't write in the notebook. Only listen.
No, I'm saying, are we going to write a notebook today?
First, only listen. I'm just listen. Just listen. Don't write anything right now. Okay. So Hatem, you are saying something. Hatem. Okay. It's Kusai Hamad. Kusai Ahmad. You want to say something? Yes, Kusai, you are saying something. We are waiting.
Don't listen you very well.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Now, Pascaline can only do two things which can addition and subtraction. So, Pascaline has 8 movable dials. There are there are no buttons on the Pascaline. There are no buttons on the Pascaline, and buttons are not available on the Pascaline. In 1642, Pascaline was the fastest mechanical calculator. Pascaline was the fastest mechanical calculator. Okay, at that time in year 1642, it's very old. So everybody should have to open the worksheet. There is a worksheet. There is a worksheet. Okay. Yes, what is your question? Someone is asking a question. Yes, someone is asking a name, sir. I have a question. What is your question? I unmute you. You can unmute yourself. Someone is writing his name as sir. I have a question. You can unmute yourself. We are waiting for you. Someone is write his name. Sir, I have a question. And then person is not asking a question.
say is yet.
Okay, Ziad, what is your question? Ziad, what is your question?
Why? Because
Okay, Fadi.
see, why? Because
Fadi Halwani.
not like that. Because I think you know that you know in physics, speed equal to
Fadi
yes
Alwani.
means speed equal to
Yes, sir.
distance over time.
Okay.
Speed equal to what, boy?
What is
Distance over time. So that is, distance is what in terms of kilometer.
what
and
is
time in terms of hour. That's why kilometer per
your
hour.
question?
Understand now, everyone? Why the unit is kilometer per hour? Understand? Because the
Sir, I
speed
don't have a question. I raised the hand by mistake.
speed equal to what?
Okay.
Distance over time.
Adam,
Distance is
you are saying something, Adam?
and time is hour. So kilometer per hour. This means this fraction. Okay? Clear?
Adam, you are saying something?
Okay, boys?
Sir,
Now next one.
Yes.
Anas.
we will write in the notebook.
Not right now. You have to open the worksheet right
What
now.
for Anas?
You have to open the worksheet right now.
Just tell me the Anas.
We will do something
The
in the
wo-
worksheet.
4.8 is what? No units. You should write the units also, Anas.
Okay, Ziad.
Milliliter. Yesterday, boy, I saw that lot of boys send the correct answers in class 7, but lot of boys don't write the
Okay.
units. If you not write the
Adam
exam
is saying
editor,
Amr.
you
Amr,
not
you are
write the
saying
units,
something,
I will
Amr?
cut the marks. Remember that one. Okay, maybe in exam I will give you 4.8 milliliter.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I am Adam.
I didn't
You
listen
now
you
unmute
clear.
me. Sir,
Your name.
I
Yes,
am
Amr is
Adam.
saying
You now
something.
unmute me.
Amr, you are saying something.
Or later. So
Sir,
concentrate.
I didn't listen you clear.
Yes, number 5.
Okay,
Number
let me
5.
check.
Just place on time. What is number 5 answer?
Every one of you listening me, say yes or no.
Sir,
I can hear you very
sir,
well.
which sir, which worksheet? Which read?
Yes, Jibril is saying something. Jibril, you are saying something.
Open workbook page number 22.
Yeah,
Workbook
sir, I am saying which sheet, which did? 10 3 or 10 5?
Sir, I cannot hear you, sir.
You can check the date today. Only one worksheet will be there.
Okay.
Check the today's date.
Okay. If you did, okay. Open
So today's date is 10 5, but I can't found any sheet which date is 10 5.
Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if the date is there or not. Let me see it.
page.
Let me see it if the date is there or not. If the date is there or not.
Page 22.
Let me see it.
Number D.
Everyone should have to open. Everyone should have to open the worksheet. Yes, the worksheet is there. Jibril, you are saying worksheet is not there. There is a worksheet. It's available. Worksheet number 4. It's today's date is there. What are you doing?
Number G.
Where is Jibril?
Yes, minus 54.
Open the worksheet. The date is mentioned there clearly.
Don't raise the hand, boy. If you raise the
Okay.
hand again, the names are repeated. Please.
Now everyone.
Al-Zola. Number H.
Now let me open the screen, my screen first. Okay. So after opening it, I took some time to open the worksheet. A worksheet is there. It's available to everyone. Everyone got the worksheet? Say yes or no. Everyone got the worksheet?
Minus 64. Ahmad, you?
Everyone got the worksheet?
Huh? Ahmad Al-Zola.
You guys can unmute yourself. You guys can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir,
Everyone
I
got
got
the
it
worksheet?
and
Yes,
print.
sir.
I have.
Yes, it's there. So we are going to start the worksheet. It's there. Jibril, you are saying worksheet is not there. It's there. Kindly see it carefully. So
20 and minus 60. Yes, boy.
now
Next,
the
full
first
number
question of the
system.
worksheet is the hardware component that shows you the final result is called an dash
Minus 6.6,
device.
same line.
The hardware
Last question,
that
very good,
component
very
that
good.
show you the
Take the
final
gap,
result
minus
is called an
6.8,
dash
minus 6.8,
device.
right?
Okay.
So remaining A,
So
B,
what
C,
is the answer?
main
The
answer
hardware
was
component that you
homework,
show you the
do it.
final result is
Now
called
everyone
an dash
finished?
device. So which
Everyone
one?
done?
Which is this device? It is
Now
okay. Which is this device? Okay.
minus
Okay.
6.6.
Let me ask Ayad. So Ayad, what is your answer?
What, sir?
Okay,
You are
minus
giving an answer.
6.6.
Yes.
Why 6.6? Can you tell me?
What is the answer for question number 1? What do you think? What would be the answer?
Again the same mistakes you are
Yes.
doing. Again the same mistakes you are doing.
Don't take much time. Say the
6.8 is
answer.
correct answer.
Abdul
Again, you are
Rahman.
doing the same thing. I said
Abdul
that check the
Rahman.
full
Abdul
number
Rahman
line.
Nathar.
Check the full
Abdul
number
Rahman
line.
Nathar. What is your answer?
This full number
The-
line, the first one is suppose
Sir, you make to me unmute.
That
You are saying the answer. I am listening. You are saying you are on mute. You are now audible to everyone.
minus 7. So minus 7 to minus 8, there are
Okay, listen everyone. I am saying right now everyone is muted. I only unmute those persons who raise the hand. Raise the blue hand in the class era. The blue hand sign. If I see this hand, I will unmute that person. Okay. So
yes, boy. Right or no?
Okay.
So this is minus 6.5.
So the Abdul Rahman Nathar. What is your answer? Say it in a second. Abdul Rahman Nathar. You can unmute yourself. Say the answer.
Output device.
No. Are you sure? Are you sure? Say yes. Yes, I am sure. Say yes, I am sure.
Yes, I sure.
Good, very good. Yes, you are sure because this thing gave you the output. So show you the result. So it's a output device. Let's say what Fadi is saying. Fadi, what is your answer? Fadi, what is your answer?
My answer is output device, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, Ayman. Ayman. Amr Ayman, what is your answer? Amr Ayman.
Output device.
Okay. Amr is saying output device. So you all guys are right. Those who answered it. The answer for the question number. The answer for the question number. Okay, let me take a pencil here. Okay. So answer for the question number 1 is output. The answer is output and you guys gave the right answer. So you guys gave the right answer. So now Fadi, Amr and Abdul Rahman gave the answer for this. Now, the person who write the name, sir, I have a question, can change the name because I am not seeing the name of that person. Someone write the name that, sir, I have a question and they write it here. I will not give a chance to that person because the name is not showing. The name is not available to me. What I call him? So now the first answer is output. The first answer is output. So the question number 2 is okay. Hatem changed the name. Very good, Hatem. Okay. So now the second question is input device with many small buttons to enter data in the computer. Many buttons, many small buttons or keys. Many small buttons or keys to enter data in the computer is called a dash. What do we call that input device? Okay, let's say who is going to answer. Okay, Hatem, what is your answer, Hatem? Hatem, what is your answer?
Pictogram. Right or no?
Hatem.
What is first 3 letters?
Okay. Albara Dori. What is your answer? Albara.
Sir, the answer is keyboard.
Okay, Albara is saying the keyboard. Okay, let's see who else is saying the answer. Okay, Tafim, what is your answer? Tafim Zaman, what is your answer? Okay, Tafim is saying again the same thing. Good, Tafim. Okay, Tafim is saying the keyboard. Let's see what Ziad is saying. Ziad Ahmad. Ziad, what is your answer? Ziad, what is your answer, Ziad? What is your answer?
Sir, it's keyboard.
It's keyboard. Okay. So, Ayad Ahmad is there. Ayad, what is your answer?
What, sir?
What is your answer?
It's keyboard.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so everyone will get a turn. So the answer for the question number 2 is keyboard. It's Keyboard. It's Keyboard. Question number 2 answer is keyboard. Question number 2 answer is keyboard. So answer for the question number 2 is keyboard. Okay. Let me clear the screen. So we will move towards the next question. The next question is saying input device, say device that fits under your palm of your hand. The device which is come inside your hand, what do we call that device? Okay. Amin Mazin. Amin Mazin. Everyone will get a chance. Amin Mazin, what is the answer? Amin. Sorry? Okay. Okay. Mohit. Mohit, what is the answer? Mohit. What is the answer, Mohit?
So 1, 2.
Okay, Arhan. Arhan, what is the answer? Arhan, you can unmute yourself. Arhan,
Yes, sir.
what is your answer for question 3?
Mouse.
Mouse. Very good. Arhan said the right answer. It's a mouse. Because mouse come under your hand. Mouse come under the palm of your hand. Okay. We have Saleh Al. Okay. We have Saleh Al Sudais. Saleh Al Sudais. Okay. The answer for the question number 3 is Saleh. The answer for Atem, why you are asking again and again the remote access? Why you are requesting the remote control for the screen? Why you are asking again and again the remote control for the screen? You are not see my screen. Don't ask me the again and again the control for my screen. Okay. So Soleh. Okay. Let me clear the screen. Soleh will tell me the answer. Let me tell you the. Let Soleh will tell the answer. Okay. Soleh, what is your answer for the question number 4? Input device which is used to control different movements in a game. When you play game, which device is used to control the movements?
Yes, line. Suppose this is the 6 I read.
Yes.
6. So how I read it 6?
Soleh,
1, 2,
say it fast.
4, 5, and this is 6. Clear?
Okay. Then Rajatava. Rajatava. Rajatava, what is your answer?
Okay.
Sir,
Frequency.
Rajatava, what is your answer, Rajatava?
Frequency. And this is called tally. So this is means
Rajatava, what is your
tally
answer?
frequency table. Tally.
If someone don't wants to answer,
table.
kindly. Yes.
sir,
Okay, boys.
Yes.
I think it is keyboard. I think
Okay.
it is the
It is keyboard. Input device which is used to control different movements in a game is a keyboard. Okay. Okay. It depends on the game, but the most of the game movements are controlled by the keyboard. Most of the game movements are done by the keyboard. So keyboard is the right answer. Keyboard is the right answer for the question number 4. Question number 3 and question number 4 both have the keyboard. Okay, answer both have the answer keyboard. Okay, let me clear the board. Okay, now question number 5. Output device used to give the sound output from the computer are Ayad Hamad. Ayad Hamad. Everyone will get one chance. Okay. Ayad Hamad, what is your answer? Yes.
Speaker.
Yes.
Like this way called like this way called.
What is the
Speaker.
answer, Ayad?
Y-axis always
Speaker.
frequency on y-axis.
Speaker. Okay. Ayad is saying the speaker. Okay. Let's see. Hatim. So
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
okay.
1 up to 0.
Hatim.
Should be
Hatim is
equal
there.
gap. Should
Hatim
be
is there.
equal
Where is Hatim?
gaps. Understand? If
Okay.
you take the 1 square gap,
Hatim,
all
yes.
should be
Hatim
1
wrote,
square gap.
sir, I am Hatim. Yes, Hatim, what is your
If you
answer?
understand, then you can make it line.
Sir.
And
Okay,
here also 1
okay.
square gap, you know that already. So what
Yes,
the first one?
both of you gave the
Sir, but question number
You have to draw.
right
This will
answer.
be
It's
here.
a speaker. Speaker gave you the sound
This is
output.
the
Okay.
bar line
The
graph.
previous
Clear,
question
boys?
which we have done
Clear?
has more answers, but we can write the keyboard. Why we are writing the keyboard?
But in a bar
Because
graph,
joystick
what you
is
have to
not
do,
a part of
the
computer.
gap should
Joystick is not a part of computer. We can control the game movement with the help of joystick, but most of the games we play with the help of keyboard and mouse, and keyboard is used to control the movement. So joystick is not the official part of the computer. It is used with the computer to control or play games, but the official part of the computer is keyboard and mouse. So if you play the game with the mouse and keyboard, the keyboard is used to control the movement. Okay. Joystick also control the movement, but it is not the official part, and we didn't study the joystick. That's why the answer for question 3 and question 4 is keyboard. So question number 5 answer is speaker. Question number 5 answer is speaker. Now I will see which person didn't give the answer. Okay, then that person will give the answer only. Okay, now I see which person didn't give the answer. Okay, Adam give the answer. Ayad Ahmad. Ahmad, what is your answer for the question number 6? Ahmad, what is your answer for the question number 6?
Um, wait, I will read it.
The main storage device that a computer used to store information. The main storage device that a computer used to store information is what?
Hard disk.
Very good. Very good. Very well done. You are great. It's a difficult one, but you said it right. Very good. It's a hard disk. Hard disk is used to store things. So answer for question number 6 is hard disk. Answer for question number 6 is hard disk. Now the question number 7, a printer gives us a dash copy of the document, soft copy or the hard copy. Okay, soft copy or the hard copy. Okay. Now, okay, who will say? Mohammad Hussain. Mohammad Hussain, printer will gives us a hard copy or the soft copy?
Hard copy.
Hard copy, yes. Mohammad Hussain is saying the right thing. It gives us a hard copy. It gives us a hard copy because it is printed, we can touch it. So it's a hard copy of the document. Printer gives us a hard copy. Answer for the question number 7 is hard. Okay, so let's say the question number 7. Dash is called the brain of the computer. What do we call? Jibrail. Yes, Jibrail, what is your answer? Dash is called.
Sir, my answer is CPU.
Very good. Can you tell me the full form of CPU, Jibrail?
Full form
Central?
of the CPU.
Central?
I think
Central processing.
the Intel processing the.
Unit. Central processing unit. But your answer is right.
Sir, I don't know the full form of the CPU,
but you
okay,
are
thank you.
You are right. You said the right answer. Very good, Jibrail. You said the right answer. Jibrail is correct. That's a great answer from the Jibrail. It's CPU.
Because he always is
Yes. CPU is the
store
right answer
the
given by
data
Jibrail.
in the
So,
CPU.
yes,
That why that is the brain of the.
computer. Yes, you are right. So the right answer is CPU. Now all the worksheet is done. What you have to do, guys? You have to do the one small assignment is there. Everyone should have to do the assignment because I am seeing which person is doing the assignment, and I'm also seeing the person those who are not doing the assignment. So do the assignment. I will tell those persons name in the next class if someone is not doing the assignment. Everyone should have to do the assignment from the class era. So class timing is over. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone.